Hello, and welcome to NeuralSeek. Today, I'll be guiding you through a tour of the console for the AI-powered answer generation engine to understand the user interface. We'll explore some of the major features of NeuralSeek. When I open my NeuralSeek instance, I'll find myself on the home page. If you look at the top of the screen, you'll see the navigation bar. The home screen is the foundation of the virtual agent. On the left side of the screen, you'll find different steps available. Within Basics, you'll provide general information about your organization to NeuralSeek. In Data, you'll connect to your knowledge base. Users can describe their organization and preferences for the use case in the About section. In Tune, users can provide information about the data/documentation. And finally, in the Q&A section, users can auto-generate a list of questions and actions to help us set up a chatbot in a matter of moments. Now click on Configure on the top navigation bar. Here's where to edit information from the home page. Under Corporate Knowledge Base Details, user can change the knowledge base, adjust score settings, snippet size, and more. Users with the Bring Your Own Large Language Model plan can update their large language model details here. Under Company/Organization Preferences, users can edit the general information they added in the Basics and About section from the home page. Users can choose their preferred language here as well. Under Virtual Agent Platform Preferences, user can configure the language generation timeout to that of their choosing. Users can enable prompt engineering and answer engineering to replace text in the knowledge base training data and live answer. NeuralSeek also provides users control over their preferences on how to choose how an intent is matched up with intent matching and cache configuration. Users can now organize their intents into categories created with their own preferences using intent categorization. Table understanding pre-processes your documents to extract and parse table data into a format suitable for conversational query. The Personal Identifiable Information Handling section is where you can decide how to handle personal information. And finally, on the confidence and warning threshold, users can adjust NeuralSeek limits such as the misinformation tolerance, warning confidence, and more. As you make changes on this tab, you can scroll to the bottom to download or upload settings of your choice. The Configure tab is important because it sets up the foundation of how NeuralSeek works in tandem with your assistant. And that's it for Configure. Look back to the navigation bar and click on Integrate. Look at the first tab labeled Custom Extension. This contains the information to build a custom NeuralSeek extension within Watson Assistant. Use the AWS Lambda archive to send user input that routes to the LX fallback intent to NeuralSeek. Under the Webhook tab, NeuralSeek can connect and communicate with the solution and make a call to this webhook from anywhere, Watson, your own application, websites, etc. Users can enable round-trip logging under Watson Logs. The purpose of round-trip logging is to improve virtual agents' performance. Finally, the API tab, containing necessary information regarding the NeuralSeek API. Users can adjust their preferences, parameters, and schematics here. That's the Integrate section. Now to go to the top navigation bar and click on Curate to view intents generated from the knowledge base, import intents into the assistant, and more. The intent parameters can be adapted and adjusted to accommodate employee and customer needs. Users can filter by category as well. We'll click on one of the intents and view the example answers automatically generated by NeuralSeek. We can change the answer or language tone in Curate as well. Users can view the results of other features such as round-trip logging. Take a look at this intent, which has been stored by the log webhook, queuing it might need to be manually updated. Users can also merge and unmerge intents within NeuralSeek to make sure questions are answered properly, and merge similar intents. The Curate tab works in tandem with the rest of NeuralSeek. For example, let's click on the Seek tab on the upper navigation bar. The Seek dashboard identifies the documentation used to curate a response. For example, let's ask a question. I'll turn on Highlight Answer Provenance to show where my documentation came from, and click Seek. See where the majority of the answer was formed by the train answer and that additional components came in from the knowledge base itself. Next to the Seek button is the Respond In button, where posed questions are received and answered in a multitude of languages. I'll ask the same question, but this time ask for it to respond in German. Users can also personalize answers and filter through the knowledge base documents on the Seek tab. The Analytics section works hand in hand with the Seek dashboard, as this provides not only where answers come from, but confidence and coverage scores for each question and response as well. Users can navigate to the Analytics tab to understand where confidence and coverage scores are coming from. Click on a question. You'll see we're navigated back to the Curate tab, and through the cycle of curating, seeking, and analytics, we can adjust our intents based on our insights. And that's the completed tour of the NeuralSeek user interface. While all these features may seem separate at first glance, in reality they all work together seamlessly to provide you an experience with AI that can greatly improve the customer care experience. If you wish to learn more, please take a look at our other educational videos and demonstrations made available to you. Thank you.